Welcome to my channel, where we discuss everything and all things politics, economy, and development in Nigeria and around the world. This video is to debunk the narrative that Nyesom Wike, the Minister of the Federal Capital Territory Abuja and former Governor of Rivers State, should take the credit for Ijaw producing governor in Rivers State. This video will show that indeed it was Amaechi who should take the credit for Ijaw emerging as governor of Rivers State, because he was the one that set the ball rolling. And I particularly am doing this video because I saw a video where somebody was saying that Ijaw people are grateful to Nyesom Wike for making Ijaw governor. In other words, saying that he did a favor to the Ijaw nation. And that narrative was also shared by Nyesom Wike in a way, because when you listen to that his syndicated television interview, he was talking about the fact that Ijaw is the minority of the minorities, that it was out of his benevolence, the way he put it, because we say we belong to the same political family. Let us extend the governorship position to the Ijaw. But that was not exactly how the process of Ijaw emerging governor of Rivers State started. The person that set the ball rolling to ensure that Ijaw produced governor was Amaechi, and I will tell you why. And before I go further on that, if you are new to my channel, you have not yet subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel, hit the subscription button, hit the notification bell. When you subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell, anytime I have a new video, you'll be among the first to know. God bless you. Now, after Peter Odele became governor of Rivers State and governed for 8 years, and Amaechi governed for 8 years. Don't forget that in the after Dr. Odele, Omeha, a cousin of Amaechi, was governor until the Supreme Court sacked him and reinstates Amaechi as the candidate of the People's Democratic Party. So Amaechi was governor also for 8 years. So Igbo-speaking part of Rivers State between Odele and Amaechi was 16 years. And Amaechi felt that it is now proper for an Ijaw or somebody from the riverine, as they call it, to become the next governor of Rivers State in 2015 when his tenure was ending. So it was Rotimi Amaechi who started the idea, who found it necessary to spread governorship position to Ijaw nation. So in 2015, how Amaechi did it was by ensuring the nomination of Dakuku Peter Side as the governorship candidate of the All Progressive Congress. You can go and check your record. The governorship candidate of the APC in 2015 was Dakuku Peter Side. Now, if Dakuku Peter Side had won that election in 2015, he would have been the first Ijaw to become governor of Rivers State since 1999. Okay? He would have been the first. And Amaechi did all he could to ensure that he emerged as governor of Rivers State. So you can see that it was Amaechi that started the process. In fact, in 2015, when Amaechi was working for Ijaw to become governor. Do you know who thwarted it? Do you know who stopped it? It was Nyesom Wike. Nyesom Wike, unmindful of the fact that the Ikwere or Igbo speaking part of River State had governed for 16 years, insisted that he must run and that he is the one that to be governor. So the Ijaw producing governor would have come much more earlier. And the ball was started rolling by Amaechi in 2015. Nyesom Wike stopped an Ijaw from emerging. So let nobody think that Nyesom Wike is being benevolent to Ijaw people or he suddenly love Ijaw people. If you look at it also, in 2019, Amaechi also worked very hard to ensure that an Ijaw was the governorship candidate of APC. In 2019, Tony Cole, an Ijaw from the Riverine, was also nominated with the assistance of Amaechi to be the governorship candidate of APC. Of course, Nyesom Wike, you all know what happened. There were all kinds of crises engineered in APC and all that. Nyesom Wike emerged. So you can see that Amaechi had the heart, the mindset to spread power across the Riverine area of River State. And the person who stopped Ijaw from becoming governor in all those two occasions, that's 2015, 2019, was Nyesom Wike. So I don't think people should be deceived that he has love for Ijaw. What happened in 2023 was that it was obvious to him also that the state is fed up with the upland producing governor almost endlessly, from Odele to Amaechi to Nyesom Wike. People were already fed up with that arrangement. That was why, if you look at in 2023, a governorship election in River State, both the APC and PDP, they all produced a Ijaw governorship candidate to show that Amaechi was serious about Ijaw producing governor. Amaechi also insisted and worked for Tony Cole to emerge the governorship candidate of APC in 2023. Of course, Nyesom Wike literally railroaded Simi Fubara to be the candidate of the PDP. Like, people who are thinking that he did Fubara a lot of favor by nominating Fubara ahead of other people. The truth is that during that governorship period, Fubara never showed interest to be governor. He was not interested. He was a civil servant. The major political players who are interested, Nyesom Wike, they allowed them. But that is aside. But the truth of the matter is that it was Amaechi that shows the interest right from 2015 that Ijaw need to produce the governor of River State. And he noticed this when the upland, or the Ikwere or Igbo speaking, depending on which language you like, had governed for 16 years. So he felt by 2015, enough is enough. Let the power go to Riverine. Nyesom Wike stopped it. Nyesom Wike stopped it again in 2019. So let the idea that Nyesom Wike was being benevolent to the Ijaw nation in producing governor in 2023 is not true. In fact, a Ijaw nation producing governor in 2023 was an issue that its time had actually come. Because if you look at that election, almost all the candidates, all the governorship candidates in all the parties were Ijaw. Head or tail, Ijaw would have produced the governor in 2023, especially in the two major political parties in that state, APC and PDP. So this video is just for those who are for the video I saw where people are talking about how that and the person that was saying it was an Ijaw person apparently in the camp of Nyesom Wike. That Nyesom Wike made Ijaw to be governor. That's not entirely true. That's not entirely true. If Fubara didn't get it in 2023, Tony Cole could have gotten it. He didn't do Ijaw any favor at all. The person that should be thanked for Ijaw emerging as governor of Rivers State is actually Amaechi, who started the process in 2015. I don't know what you think about this, but whatever is your position, let's hear from you at the comment section. Thank you for watching this video. And if you are new to my channel, you have not yet subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel. Hit the subscription button, hit the notification bell. When you subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell, anytime I have a new video, you'll be among the first to know. God bless you. And please don't forget to like this video, because when you like it, Google will rank it high and recommend it for more people. Thank you, and God bless you and yours.